Oh my god, you're the first guy I've seen who's Mega Knight the Void in a 2v2. And then I want to see you do it again if you're that dude. You Mega Knight me? With what? It'll be crazy if you say it with your ass, but nah, Zion. You sus. You sus, bro. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, we got. Well, we're gonna work now. We're gonna work, and then we play again later. Yeah. I'm gonna play mirror, and I'm gonna beat you so bad you're gonna quit the game and focus on trading. Oh my god, because you lose the pudding. Nah, 5 for 5 and still won. Nah, that's crazy though. Alright, alright, whatever you say, buddy. Whatever you say. Whatever makes you feel better. Nah, whatever makes you feel better, I'm God. Nah, nah, Brody. Brody went crazy after listening to Pudding, bro. Oh my god. Brody went crazy. 人生を変えた一番の経験ってあります？
キャバクラやっていろんな出会いがあることが人生華やかになったなって思う。
その前何してた？
元彼の監視下にいた。ずーっと家2年ぐらい。
お金は？
だから普通の養ってもらってた。監視カメラと GPS、誰にも会えない。出ていけるのはスーパーとクリーニング屋さんと八百屋とお花屋さんだけ。
なんで別れちゃったの？
帰省式に実家に、同棲してたんですけど、サプライズで2日前に帰ったらめっちゃ裸で女と寝てた。
めっちゃ浮気されてんやん。
そうだよ、もう浮気人生。
中で寝てたの？開けたら？
そう。就寝して開けたの。
どうしたの？
一旦怒って、もうボッコボコ。男をね。女の子はなぜか正座してたんだけど。浮気された、もう次の日に東京来た。そっからキャバクラとかやり始めた。もはやそれがターニングポイント。
人生を変えた一番の経験ってあります？
キャバクラやってて、いろんな出会いがあることが人生華やかになったなって思う。
その前何してた？
元彼の監視下にいた。ずーっと家。
人生を変えた一番最近の人生。
my draw on the day anyways. It's another 300 points down there, but dude, this is just chop though. Like we're not doing anything in this.
Zion, what's up? He can hear me.
I
Retro?
just feel like they've built up a lot of liquidity right here now.
Tre.
Not a lot of people are longing. I feel like this needs to be a
Dude, we were talking like a minute ago. This
catch
is
those people
crazy.
that are shorting. What do these banks want to do?
I was the first one on and we were chatting it up and then yeah. Do you take that short? Yeah.
60 points to that?
Yeah.
Wow. That's nice volume. Because that's like, we probably have like a
Yeah.
all right. Yeah, and now we're building up this too. Holy. There's gonna be a rude sweep here in a minute. A rude long setup form. Yeah, that's nice. Absorption. Mm. These just aren't optimal trading conditions to do the market. This looks sucky. Just like no delivery, even though we're delivering like hella points. It's just like I mean, it kind of makes sense, I guess. Like we opened up, made a 930 high, swept out all these highs and some of these on the way up. And then now it wants to go lower towards the actual draw of the day. I mean, it makes sense, but it's just like, look at all those highs that are just left. Nothing's been taken. And keep just barely taking these. So this day just looks pretty sketchy in general, which is probably pretty good because we've been displacing heavy and oh, God, I mean, I know where it's going. I know where it's going, and I can't catch anything because these setups are weak. Like, literally told y'all 3 days ago. Literally, it was gonna go here and then here. Somehow I
Could have
have
made a lot of money off of that,
negative
Tre.
PLL on P&L on the week already. It's okay. Disrespecting. Holding. Just blind short. There are no gaps, bro. And there's a 5 minute. Oh, opening in a minute 46. Just like lacking news. Is that really? Where did I just see that Trump speaks? Oh, yesterday. Jeez. Chillax, dude. Tomorrow's gonna be ass too. Dude, on ES we have a really much cleaner looking LR, and it's really making me feel like we want to take these highs because this is way cleaner. But I really don't want to take a long, but they might be forcing my hand here. But then I'm also just like going, I need to just turn this off. I'm reading it so bad. This is just accumulation, manipulation. No. Distribution down to these lows. Perfect AMD model at 930. And if you want to guess what comes after distribution on the 4-minute chart, then that should just tell you that I need to just probably walk away. Because we're going to have to accumulate for like an hour and a half before we manipulate and then distribute again. And that's what happened to me yesterday. Manipulation. Or accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We should have been all over that, but there's no setup, dude. Like, she was so ass. I didn't think we had a 1-minute flip. I mean, we did. Bro, if I get on TikTok and see people took that, I'm gonna be so pissed. Why is everybody taking like bangers 5 minutes into the open? Oh my gosh, that's just absolutely absurd. Clean
Crazy how
ass
you're still
2R.
talking to him. And he
The
can't
fact
hear
that
you.
chopped the whole time all the way down.
I'm going to start taking
Took
those because
20
I feel like we
minutes to
miss
deliver
those every day.
120 points. Oh, man. I bet people took that, honestly. People are like that. People are aggressive like that in the morning.
Yeah. I mean, it looks, obviously, hindsight's 2020, but that is beautiful.
Oh, this is what it is. Distribution, accumulation, manipulation.
It's
And now
just a
we're going to
beautiful
distribute and take all these.
inverse, went straight back up,
What's up
tested it,
here?
and it
Just
came
go back
straight
to
back
this
down.
hour, this daily gap. Is there like a 3-hour it's untouched or something? No, it's not really. Dude, it looks like it wants to just go take it right now. Hmm. All right. Here's the game plan. We're gonna try the 10:30 or the 10 a.m. silver bullet. So all that is like it's the 10 a.m. to the 11 a.m. candle. We were waiting for the wick at the top, so the wick is gonna be when it opens up. I'm gonna expect it to manipulate up into one of these 5 minutes. Okay. And then we're gonna try to look for a 1 minute inverse out of it down. So that the new candle has a wick and then it's supposed to be full. So then we're just going to target down in here, target 1-to-1. That should work. Probably have to wait like 10 minutes for a clean setup, but it probably will form honestly because normally these candles are very full. Like the 10 a.m. candle is normally a good one. If you go back and look, like yesterday's is probably this one. Yeah, see how like the wick, but it's a full candle. So we're gonna wait for the wick to form into the 5 minute, 1 minute inverse, and then use the rest of the body to form our TP. So we just gotta wait for it to wake up into this 5 minute. Just take this thing off. Again, if it flips the 5 minute, I'm shutting the computer because I don't need to be doing this anymore. Why did you mute yourself?
Can you not hear me right now?
What's up?
Hello?
How are you, bro? Yep. Yep.
Me and Zion have been chatting it up, bro.
What's up?
Wait, so have you been able to hear us this whole time?
How are you? Wait, could I not hear you all before? Were y'all talking?
Yes. Can you hear us
Here, I'm
now?
gonna make this dude. I'm gonna unmute this dude, Chris, too.
I'm so confused.
Yeah, I got you, bro. One sec. I know there's been no, you could have taken that 1 minute inverse, but that's it. Yeah. Yeah.
Order filled.
It definitely made sense, but it's just like so early. I don't like taking it that early into the. Chris, if you leave and join back, you should be good, bro. Damn, it's not even gonna give us an entry. It's just gonna run.
Guys, how y'all doing?
You said you think it's going where? This low over here? The like high time frame daily low?
Can y'all hear me?
Oh, okay. Yeah, man. Like
Oh,
the draw was lower today, man.
yeah, it for sure was. You are in
Cause look,
shorts,
when I
bro?
coming in today, look, I was trying to take my model today. Basically, my model like is basically a Judas swing off the open and then a 1 minute like inverse fair value gap to the upside. That's usually what I take, you know, because it's a proven model and it's worked multiple times. But I was kind of like a little impatient today, so I blew my fucking funded today. I paid the consequences. But
No way.
yeah,
Yeah.
but yeah. So price was reacting off this. I don't know if I can change my. How do I flip the thing? Okay. Look, so we had this one
Yeah,
minute
probably.
we had this 1 minute inverse here, and then we seen price was reacting off this first presented fair value gap. ICT says that for a first presented fair value gap to be classified as a first presented fair value gap, you have to see some form of break of structure. So we was reacting off of that all morning. We had no candle closure above that zone, so we were reacting off that first presented fair value gap because we had that 1 minute, we had that hourly inverse, and we had that 15-minute break of structure here. So price literally, what it did today, it literally ran for the first, how do I say this? So if you look at over here, you see where price is at. You see this wick right here. Yeah, see that wick? It literally traded to that first presented fair value gap. That's another first presented fair value gap because it was the one that caused this break of structure to the downside. So it literally repriced to that, and then we seen it short because we're in a sell program, so it's not really gonna give a fuck about repricing higher to take out liquidity above. Huh?
Order filled.
Yeah, it's on a 3 minute. This was the first presented fair value gap that caused this little break of structure to the downside. You see that big domino move down here? This was the first fair value gap that price had repriced to before breaking those lows and inverting that 1 hour inversion. So we seen price. So I annotated in the morning. I always annotate my opening ranges, first presented fair value gap, and I want to see how price reacts off of them. I could have caught a good short, but I didn't really have any conviction. That little short we had off the opening, I was watching that and I didn't catch it because I was like, that go against my model. So yeah, so usually at 9 a.m. when we run buy side at 9 a.m., usually the first presented fair value gap that forms, because remember, for it to be classified as a first presented fair value gap, it needs to have signatures like a sweep of liquidity or a shift to market structure. And we seen price breaks that, and then we seen price reprice to it and then drops lower and then goes back up. So first presented fair value gaps are very important, just like to keep annotated. And for them to be classified as one day, you have to have either a stop hunt, break of structure, or some type of liquidity sweep.
Oh, here we go. This is what we want to see. Thank goodness. This is no. It's already. This is the distribution. This is going to be accumulation for like an hour, but at least it didn't take the low. Well, it's just gonna. If you go to the hourly, like you can see, like we're about to form this wick up here. So I just needed to get to this 5 minutes so I can try to short.
It says, I think it's going for that first presented fair value gap, because
Or the
when,
5 minute.
yeah, when we broke that low right there, it's definitely gonna be going for that first presented fair value gap, and then see if how high it
Let's
reacts
see the
off of that.
10 minute.
We want to see how price reacts off of that. If it found some premium sensitivities, then yeah, I can probably go for short. I'm done because of my shit blown today.
Yeah,
Look how fast it's moving. Look how fast it's moving.
yeah, that's good, bro. I like that. Zion, you think it's gonna get up to this 5, or do you think that we should use the wait for like the 15 minute to open? Because there's a 15 minute that's gonna open in 6 minutes. Yeah, like it's literally edging a 5-minute right now. You see it? It just put in it. I just got in it. It just put it in. All right, so if this 1-minute inverses, we're going short, break even at this big low. Let's see, is there a 2-minute? Okay, there's no 2-minute yet, but in a minute 13 there will be. There's no 3-minute, but there will be one in 4 seconds. All right, this is getting to where this wick feels a little too big. All right, relax, dude. Oh, wait, no, it doesn't. That's just the bottom. This is great. This is actually great. I really like how this is looking. For shorts, yep. You're gonna have to trust me here. Look, because look, we're rebalancing the range. We're gonna touch into this premium. Probably come up in here. There's a 10-minute, I think. Yeah, okay, so there's a 10-minute premium bearish fair value gap. And we edged that low, which means it's now a relative equal low. So I'd like to see us respect this thing right here. Or is the 15-minute? You're taking longs? Shorts, yeah. The 30-second? Relax, dude. Don't do that. Take the highest time frame and flip. So like right now it's gonna be it's the 2-minute. Because then you're shorting into a 2-minute, you know? Don't do that. It could be wanting to rebalance the range, you know? So did it ever flip or no? The 30-second? Hmm. Wonder if yes. All right. I'm looking for this short.
I think it's repricing to the
filled.
breaker. It might be repricing to that breaker. That down close candle on the 5-minute from the wick up to the wick down. See how price reacts off of that. If it only works the lower half, then it probably found some premium sensitivities around that. So if it ends up trading up there, because when looking at our dealing range here, we are very much in a discount, and that breaker is resting above the 50% level.
Chris, how long you been trading, bro?
Since like March of this year.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
How many accounts have you had?
Really, I went months without any accounts. I was just tape reading and back testing.
Nice.
Yeah, so I
Order
knew
filled.
that I wasn't like, I wasn't trying to, because I grew up, so I watched ICT a lot. That's who I really watch a lot, and I never really watched like TJR and all those other YouTubers. And I always had like listened to ICT. He said that like you don't need to be doing this right now. Just focus on just like I guess just on like
Yeah, he's the
improving
main
building
guy.
skill. Yeah, like a lot of people like TJR is like John Moran and freaking ICT is like Michael Jordan. If like people would rather have John Moran teach him how to ball instead of the GOAT teach him how to ball. So it just shit just don't make no sense.
All right, I'm in off this 2-minute flip.
You're in off of it?
Yeah, you're probably up hella.
Oh yeah,
You're
sure.
going
I'd be training 30 seconds.
you're going short, Trey?
How- Okay, we tapped into this 1 minute fair value gap. Okay. We just go, so we inversed. That would have been a nice lower time frame, a little long here into that breaker. If we hold that inversion here.
Damn, bro. Like, as soon as I enter, every time. It is insane for the last 2 weeks. All right, come on. Just start flushing now. Hold this gap. Bro. I'm down 820.
Sure, bro.
930.
Yesterday, right after the open, I made 300. I got off. I was like, fuck, man. I was like, almost blew my shit yesterday.
Dude, I am about to I mean, what the hell? Oh my god, there's nothing. And we're just doing that. What is that move?
Who? Oh. Bottom taking that shit. That shit's like fucking it's like level 1000 type of shit. I've bottom ticked before, but I really don't really like know how to do it on a consistent basis though. Guys,
No
man.
way it's gonna. Dude, I fucked up so bad. I oversized where I got stopped out and it didn't even hit my stop loss.
damn.
Didn't hit your
Dude,
stop loss?
bro. That just
Yo,
absolutely cooked me.
I stopped going. Have you
Bro,
guys
now it's
stopped
gonna run
going?
to TP.
Oh shit.
Bro, that's insane.
Have you guys
That is
stopped
actually
using
criminal.
limit orders? Because every time I try to use limit orders, I get late entries. I never enter the move. I started using market orders, and for some reason, when I use market orders, like the stop thinking doesn't even comes on. I don't even see the shit.
Trey, when do I go break even? How's that work?
Yeah. Dude, that's actually crazy. At least I know what's going on, but like, goodness gracious, dude. Look at that. It stopped me out. I didn't even hit my stop loss. My stop loss was supposed to be at the candle bodies. But my drawdown of 1,000 hit right here with my max daily drawdown. Oh, these bad beats need to be absolutely studied.
I'm gonna fucking reset my.
I'm
I'm
so
fucking
glad
reset.
I've been using
I'm
one
dying.
account, bro. I'm so glad that I have been patient enough to use one account.
How
I
many
would be
accounts you
getting
got?
cooked.
How many
I
fund
have
did you get?
7 right now or 6 that I just like are sitting still.
Oh,
Because
so you're fine.
it's been so
You
bad.
got 6 funded accounts already?
I have 7. This is my 7th one right here, but I've only been trading this one.
Oh, okay, that's what's up.
And I'm about to blow it. But it's been so much better than blowing all of them at the same time. Normally I copy trade them, but I've been trading so bad over the last 2 weeks that or month really, that I've just been trading one at a time.
I mean, it's understandable. It
Bro,
ain't
that's the bad beat of the year.
it ain't 2019 no more. Like shit getting tough. So people trying to make money, bro. It's understandable, bro. Like at the end of the day, bills
Look at
gotta get
that,
paid.
dude. 2 points more. Now it's just getting delivered to my TP.
I really thought
I
that
don't even
shit
know
was
what to post on TikTok, bro. Do I post it's a dub or a loss? Definitely posting it's a loss that I fucked up and oversized.
here's what
I
I'm thinking.
calculated wrong by like $20.
Here's what I'm thinking. I think price is probably gonna put in lower low and then inverse and then go back up to the range. To the range.
Dude, I feel like I haven't won in like a year. Just take one loss a day and quit. And they look like this every time too. Just like either I got manipulated out or just some gay
Bro,
shit
it
happened.
didn't hit TP. Dang it.
I think I would have gotten beat there, I think. No, I wouldn't have. My B is here. So I'd still be in this.
Trey, it didn't take TP.
Wow. That's actually such a killer, dude.
Low, high. I'm expecting Price to put in the lower low here before we get a move up and back to OT.
You just gotta you gotta pay attention to the higher time frame, bro. You've been like talking all this crazy, like these levels right here, just the way we're going. It's just how it is. So this level,
I was also looking at
until
that
we
too.
touch this
Like,
level, you guys were
he really
bearish.
wants to those lows right there, but
Yeah. Until we touch those, it's not going back up. It's just, especially like if we displace this much, like we're not stopping. You shouldn't be looking for longs this close to this high time frame low.
and we have a daily fair value gap too.
I didn't mean to delete that. Oops. Where are you? There it is.
Just hit Control Z. Okay.
What in the world is this PA? I mean, I literally told you it was gonna happen, and I've fallen for it 2 days in a row that we distribute as soon as we open, and then we chop for like an hour. And 2 days in a row, I've entered in the chop and gotten smoked both days. Oh. See, now it's gonna chop, manipulate here, and then distribute right into this low again. I think I would have gotten beat there anyways, so it probably would have been a loss, which is fine. I'm cool with that loss, bro. Like I'm so fine with it. I'm so fine with it. I'm low size. It's so good. It's so good. I mean, it's what I'm gonna get for shorting that deep in discount, bro. Like, am I just retarded? I don't even think so, honestly. I think it's fine.
Man, that's a nice little inverse right there.
The trade ended up working out. It was just a couple points off. Almost. Kind of.
One thing I know for sure, smart money. One thing I know for sure is that with these people, like when we get to a certain point of discount, they don't like to buy from down there.
Yeah, that's nice.
First presented fair value gap. I'm looking at that and seeing how price reacts off of that.
Yeah, you could have taken that. That's pretty nice, actually. Dude, like, what is this market? Like, that is so gay.
Yeah, seen that 5 minute breaker? If y'all looking for short, see
I
how
don't
it
really
reacts.
trade breakers. I know what they are, but I don't really trade them. They're kind of weak. I used to trade them, but they're all right. I mean, they definitely work. It's just like I'd rather trade high time frame like gaps and liquidity, and then low time frame inverses. They're just better. I'm saying that, and I'm the one that's getting absolutely cooked, bro. You gotta. I mean, I haven't ever really been through like while I've been profitable. I haven't really been through like this big of a drought. Like it's literally been like 3 weeks now, and I'm probably last 3 weeks. I think I literally have a losing record trading 1-to-1, which is so bad. But I mean, it's just gonna happen. And then there's gonna be 15 streaks where I'm winning 12 out of 15. So it's just gotta be level headed about it. What'd you say? Yeah, we've been getting cooked. I mean, bro, TJR said he made 300 bans yesterday. I don't even know how that's even possible. They all took that short row.
Dude, he's just a
They
gambler.
all took that short yesterday.
He just sizes up and puts it all in.
I don't understand how they just like, bro, it's like not even real.
The videos are crazy.
They're
how I made
absolutely so
$300,000
retarded.
in 12 minutes.
They just like they entered a
And
short
that's the
pre-market.
shit that's the shit that has people like new traders go blow they shit up trying to live up to that, like, TJR standard, because that's what he's doing. And that shit, even ICT talked about it. It was like that shit is like not good for the community, because you got young people who are coming in trying to trade for real, and then they're seeing you doing that shit. That shit's not good, bro. It's not good on the psychology of new traders.
Yeah, it's just a market experience.
All right, we got a 1 minute trading down into a bullish.
Oh yeah, now they're gonna print this wonderful
2 minute
two.
into a bullish. Come on, this will be good. In
Flip it
discount.
and then send it to my TP for the second day in a row. Yeah. Did you see my story that I posted, Zion, yesterday? Bro, yeah, I took an entry, got insta stopped, or not insta stopped. It took like 15 minutes. Got stopped out. As soon as it stopped me out, it just absolutely runs straight to TP every time. It's just like, bruh. I mean, like, bro, like you can't even make it up. Like, I just keep getting manipulated out. Bro, I should just take the rest of the month off, bro.
It's accumulated here, and then trades back down into the breaker, and then inverses, and then damn, that would have been a nice setup
Yeah,
right there.
Thursday and Friday should be good, but tomorrow, bro, tomorrow's gonna be the same as this, bro.
Tomorrow's probably gonna be even more cooked, bro.
Dude, I had so much conviction in that trade that I just took, and I still lost. It's pretty funny. I might. I actually might. There's a real possibility that I do that.
Mm.
This move just feels so like not real.
I mean, you said it earlier. You said it was going to go
It
up and
feels
touch
so
that,
fake.
Knew it.
come back down, right?
I fucking knew it. Ugh. I'm about to get Apex account. Already my funded futures, they shit is like 77. Oh, I don't even know. I
You should
love
just get alpha zeros, bro.
alpha zeros.
Alpha
What's that?
zeros are tough. You can pass them in one trade. It's fire. They're 75 after you use my code.
Now you got
Sometimes
a
they're
10%
more, but most of the time they're like 75.
Alpha zeros.
on the
I never heard
reload.
of that
It's
buffer.
70. It's 70, Trey. I
Alpha
would know.
alpha futures.
Oh, alpha futures.
Yeah, and then it's the zero, like the type of account is zero account. Of this one?
Max loss 2K, minimum trading days. You said what your code is 75?
No, for sure.
TTF.
Nah, it's 80. I just checked. 85. And then after tax, it's like 89. Yeah, I saw that. But that's like, I think it's like it's like starting on all accounts after the new year. So if you have one before the new year, I think you're good. I'm pretty sure. Or 4 minute. You gotta wait for the 4 minute to flip. And then by that time, it might be already at TP. Yeah, so there's a 4 minute bullish gap that you gotta wait for it to flip.
Order filled.
What's the code? What's the code, Trey?
TTF. Should be like $89 total.
Okay. Minimum days, 1 day. Profit share up to 90.
Yeah, you can literally, like on Friday, I passed the account that I'm about to blow. I passed it on Friday in one trade. What'd you
So
say?
yeah, when it comes to evals, just trade with just take the trade with the big size and just to pass it, and then when you go to your fund, it just like
Well, you have a max daily loss of 1,000. So
okay.
like
Oh,
so if you hit that 1,000, it liquidates you. So you have to take like an A+ setup and then try to move your stop to break even and just let it ride.
no,
So
that's what's
like
up.
you you trade 1 to 1, and then once it hits 1 to 1, just move your stop to break even, and then let it run to three to one. It's kind of the method.
That's what's
But then
up.
if you just blow it, bro, like if you have another $1,000 the next day, so you can try to get a 4 hour, you just buy a new one. Like I've gone through, I think in the last month, I think I've bought 7 of them and passed 4. Like I'll just run through them. Oh yeah, like yeah, it's still profitable. I'm just trying to
Yeah,
scale at this point
alpha
too.
features, this shit is tough. I ain't gonna lie, this shit is tough,
Yeah, for sure, bro. They're the method. Oh my god! Now
bro.
it's gonna run a TP.
The market, Forex Factory wasn't working this morning, and after 9:30 opening, that shit started working again. I don't know what the fuck happened.
Really?
Yeah, did y'all go through that?
I wasn't even up at 9:30, bro. Or like on the charts. I didn't get on charts till 9:35. It's probably why I missed that original short setup. I just don't know that I'm taking that though. I know a bunch of people probably took it, but I didn't like it.
Talking about the short?
I mean, it's not bad at all. It moves down, takes spots, but then there's like so much more LR right here
It's being supported
that
by
just
that
wasn't
first
taken.
presented Ferrari gap there, but it's gonna crash. It's gonna
I've been like looking like
once that Ferrari gap gets broken, then I guess we can probably like look for shorts. But it's
well, and this 1 minute held too, so I should have like my model. I could have entered here. I wait for him to hold and close out of it. I don't like entering off gaps. I like entering off inverses, but not
I know you don't guys.
like
I know
where
you
my
guys don't
stop would
trade.
have. Like
I
my
know you
stop
guys don't.
normally would be like on the bodies, but
I know you guys
oh
don't
yeah, that'd be
trade
43
breakers.
points.
I don't trigger breakers, but I'm just saying that it's most likely reaching for that, and then we can see if how he reacts off of that. We probably short that shit off of a 1 minute inverse.
Could have
Up
taken
there.
that. That's pretty clean. Inverse, close out, take. Dude, yeah, it's just chopping around though. It's building up LR up top. It's going to come up here to this 10-minute, I feel like. The 15s are 15 in premium. Oh, we're already in the 15. Mm. I didn't see the 5-minute here. So you have a valid short entry off this close of this candle right now in 30 seconds. I would do, it depends on where the candle closes, but it's gonna be like a 55-point stop-ish. And you can just target this low. So you can just target like 69 points, 56 points for 69. Oh, that's getting better for you. That's getting a lot better for you. No, I'm just looking at the chart. Oh, you're in one? Yeah, no, that's a good short. It's I mean, it's the same idea. Your bias should be short today into those lows down there. So this definitely makes sense. Yeah, definitely. You're good.
You think it's gonna
You can
take
leave
the
it down there,
previous
I think,
low?
if you want. We'll go to the hold on. What's your entry at? 25, 541. 25, 541. Yeah, you should be break even for sure.
Hey, with the zero plan, you get how many? How does the payout thing works? Like every you get it.
Okay, so you can make it's up to $15,000 per
Oh
payout.
shit.
You can get a payout every 2 weeks. You have to have 5 winning days to pass, and then there's a consistency rule of 40%. So if you take a $5,000 winner, you have to take another $5,000 winner to like offset that. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
To where it's like under 40%.
Okay.
So, but it's definitely valid, bro. Like I have never actually taken a payout with Alpha because I didn't start using them until it's been about a month, literally since I started having my rough streak. Now that I come to think about it.
I
But
wonder if
yeah, they
Alpha's.
pay out within 24 hours and it's up to 15 grand. And it's 90%, I believe. So if you make 10 grand, they pay you out 9.
You think Alpha's the problem?
It's pretty fire. And there's no activation fee, which is just doesn't
Yeah,
even make sense,
that's
but
one
it's so
thing I don't
fire.
like about Apex, the activation fucking fees, bro. Like that
Yeah,
shit's
they're gay.
yeah, they're definitely gay as fuck.
Yeah.
I mean, that's how they make their fucking. I mean, that's how they make their money and shit. So like, that's why that's why alpha features like they pay out. They have big ass payout. They be paying out people because they be charging niggas off this fucking activation fees and shit. My bad,
Yeah.
guys.
This is a good trade, dude.
I know a lot of people got cooked today, bro. I just know.
Were you just oversized?
Do you guys be using Twitter? Because I ain't gonna lie. Every time I go on Twitter, that's just kind of toxic for traders because now you're seeing other people like
TikTok's bad.
TikTok too.
I'll
Yeah,
probably
like
just
yeah.
need to delete TikTok.
I ain't gonna lie.
watching it.
When I started learning how to trade, I was off TikTok for like fucking 9 months. I was on that shit for 9 months. I was just locked in as fuck. And then I got back on there because
Yeah,
I used
it's
to
kind of
post
bad.
content. I used to post content and shit. And when I found trading, I was like, you know what? Let me just lock into this shit.
Yeah.
So subscription. The fuck?
Zion,
I'm
that's what I'm
so fine with
saying.
having
What
this
is
losing
this
streak. These
move?
trades have been so good. I'm so fine with it. It like doesn't even, I don't even get phased anymore. Like I used to get mad in revenge trades and like buy new accounts and blow them all, but bro, at this point I don't even care. It doesn't even bother me. Yeah, no kidding.
Trey, can you hear me? All right, I've been talking to Air. See you guys. I know you can hear me. I keep on trying to say Trey, and he just
Is
doesn't
Wyatt talking?
respond.
Or Noble Monkey?
Yes, Noble Monkey.
I can't ever hear him. Oh no, I can't. I can never hear him. He's the only one I can't hear. He's gonna try again. He thought I could hear him all along. No way. What's up, dude? You took 2 wins?
Order filled.
Yeah.
I was like, what?
So you took profit at 500? Yeah, yeah. On the short and then closed it. How much are you up on the account? Oh, you didn't. How much are you on? Or up? 51 51.50? Perfect. You're halfway there. 51.50. Oh, okay, I see. All right. Nice. Oh, you got 10. Yeah, I used 8 and it got stopped, bro. So weak. Well, it just depends on the like how many points our stop was. I think our stop was like 60 some points, and of course it was like I